Yes, sir. It's your boy, Naeem Hall, the Thorn City Podcast guy. And I'd like to welcome you back to the Thorn City Spotlight Show. Season 3 is here, and this one's personal. Every city has a story, but not every story gets seen. For me, it started helping out my best friend get clean. Then I built GMP Podcast Studios. I lost the studio, I lost the team, but what I didn't lose was the vision. And now I'm rebuilding. Bigger, stronger, and smarter. I'm building a city within the city. An ecosystem built for entrepreneurial podcast hosts, creators, and anyone ready to skip survival mode and build their own spotlight. This isn't just another season. It's a documentary in motion. My evolution, my era, my spotlight. But before I close that chapter for good, I'm taking you inside the unreleased vault episodes. The final days, behind the scene moments, the Saturday Night Lives, and the episodes that never made it out until now. You'll get the full story, the rebuild, the mindset, the new mission, and the blueprint for creators ready to turn their vision into visibility. Season 3 premieres November 1st, starting with how I got my first podcast sponsorship, without the big numbers. Welcome to the Thorn City Spotlight Show. Be seen, be heard, and be remembered.